Hey guys, in today's video I will show you how to fix it if the Wi-Fi icon or option is missing from your Windows 11 PC. So let's get started. As you can see on my computer, there is no Wi-Fi option available right now. In most cases this happens because the Wi-Fi adapter is disabled or missing from the system. So let's first look at how to enable a disabled wireless adapter. First, press the Windows plus R key together on your keyboard. When the Run dialog box opens, type ncpa.cpl and click OK. Now you will see all the network adapter installed on your computer. As you can see, my Wi-Fi adapter is currently disabled. To turn it on, double click the adapter or select it and click Enable at the top. After enabling the network adapter, check your taskbar. You will see that the Wi-Fi option has been appear again. If the Wi-Fi adapter is missing entirely, it's likely that Wi-Fi driver isn't installed on your computer. In that case, you can install it through Windows Update or manually download the latest driver from your computer manufacturer's website. To check driver status, press Windows plus R again, type devmgmt.msc and click OK. When device manager opens, expand the network adapter category. Check whether your Wi-Fi adapter appears in the list. If it's there, double click it and look at the drive device status section. For example, it should say this device is working properly. So those are simple steps you can follow to fix the missing Wi-Fi icon in Windows 11. I hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.